Welcome. In this video I'd just like to tell you a little bit about what WordPress is. WordPress is free web-based software that you can use to create a beautiful website or blog. It is free and open source, and what this really means is that it has a wonderful community of developers and users who are constantly contributing to the software, and that's one of the reasons why it is so popular and it is so good. It was originally created as a blogging platform, but is now developed into a full-blown content management system, or CMS. It is web-based, as I mentioned before, so therefore it works on PC, Mac, Linux, and with the use of apps, you can actually use it on mobile devices such as your iPad, your iPhone, BlackBerry, or your Android devices. WordPress has become increasingly popular, and it currently powers over 60 million websites. It has thousands of extensions and themes, and this is what has really made WordPress so popular and so powerful, because there are so many different layouts and you can really create a beautiful website with the themes and the extensions, the plugins really make WordPress so nimble, and you can do pretty much anything with WordPress. It is available in two flavors at WordPress.com, which is a fully hosted version, but there are some limitations as to what you can use these sites for, and a lot of the features are premium features you would have to pay for. And additionally, there's the version available at WordPress.org, which is self-hosted, which you install on your hosting account or domain. And this is the version that we're going to focus on throughout this video course. So in the next set of videos, I'm going to take you through how you can install WordPress, create your site, edit your site, customize it. And the beautiful thing about WordPress is that you can do all of this in your browser and without having to edit any HTML. And this is why it really is so easy to use. So join me in the next set of videos as I show you how powerful WordPress is.